Hi everyone, my name is Kasandra Gehrke. I'm from Madison, Wisconsin, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to make the bangers pay. Alright, so if you've ever been in a position before where you have a banger at the baseline who is ripping balls at you, I'm going to talk to you today about the 3 things that I do to make those bangers pay and keep them back out of position. The first thing I do is make sure that I'm all the way up to the line. I'm about an inch behind the kitchen line. The second thing I do is I make sure I actually use a backhand grip. In tennis, typically you use a neutral grip. But with this type of shot coming so fast, I like to keep a backhand because I've got about 85% of my body covered with one type of grip. If I need to go to my forehand, which is the hardest part, all I have to do is pull out this way here. The third thing that I'm going to focus on is keeping my chest over the line and making sure my contact is way out in front of my body and I'm not pulling back. So if you notice, I'm going to make sure that I've got my paddle way out in front, I'm leaning in, and I'm using most of my chest here to push the ball out into the back court. And I'm hoping that as long as I keep this banger back, that they're going to run out of gas before I do. And if you notice, I'm not having to put much effort forth besides keeping my chest out in front, my paddle out in front, and using my upper body to push this ball back into the court. So that's a great drill to work on if you're working on keeping someone back who's ripping balls at you, and that's how I would make the bangers pay.